Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about how to create a slider in the React with the help of the swiper. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that we have enabled the arrows, and you can see that it's smoothly slide very easily. Okay, so we are going to learn in this video. Let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, so you have to install the React swiper. Okay, this is npm package, right? So you need to install this package swiper. So go over here, you need to install via npm iswiper. Okay, and let's see the code level also. So here we have the React, from the React swiper core, swiper slide from the swiper React. Make sure navigation pagination if you want, so you need to add all of these in the swiper modules. Okay, you can get all of these from here. Okay, then import the swiper and the module styles. So sometimes you are not able to get the style or something, you need to make sure it will come up with swiper css navigation, swiper css pagination. Okay, to get the style sheet. Okay, so this is very important. Then we are using swiper core using autoplay or the navigation. Our main thing is that the swiper is here. Okay, so first we have the css mode, navigation, pagination. So if you want pagination or navigation, make that true or false accordingly. Mouse wheel, keyboard, modules, we are using navigation, pagination, mouse wheel and the keyboard. Class name, my swiper we have used. According to it, you can make a classes, make a style sheet over here also. Styles you can want to do. Then we have a swiper slide. Okay, then we have a swiper slide, and here you will go with your images, right? Or whether you go with the links also. Okay, so each one has the swiper slide with the image, right? So the main thing that everything is the same, that is swiper slide, and the last swiper is closed and the div is closed, and export the slider, right? So the main thing is that this one's navigation, pagination, keyboard, autoplay, if you want you can go with the settings, right? And if you go with the documentation also, you will go with the documentation with get started. So this is the documentation of that. You need to install via swiper here, then css. Okay, so according to it you can make it. If you want to go with the navigations, you can go with that one. Okay, if you go with the cdn, you can also go with that, but the React, it's better that you can use the npm package to get all of these things. Okay, so by doing this you are able to get this nice beautiful slider. Okay, if you want that one, you can use that swiper also. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Next video we will make a carousel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.